Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing Sushi to USDT Tether. Okay, so to get us started, I have drawn out some key support lines that we must follow in order to remain bullish. So the first one being the $7.12 mark. So as we can see here, I've drawn the little blue circles where we have seen consolidation and where we have seen breakouts such as this one, leading us to all-time highs, but then where we've also seen where we've been broken down past this key support. So basically, as we go through the year, we can see we've had quite a volatile year. We've come up to all-time highs at $23 back in March, and then we've had some downward movement ever since, kind of forming this descending triangle as I've drawn out here. So this is could be bullish, could be bearish. We'll get to that in the end. But basically, as we can see, we've been going up and then we've kept getting rejected by this key support line. So we've kind of gone along this angle for a long time now. And now if I switch into the monthly chart, we can see we've been kind of consolidating around this region as well. We've gotten that little push up from all these little key support areas, which we were super healthy leading up. We got this huge push, and then we were having a incline wedge here, and we were just about to break all-time highs and break the key resistance, and we were about to skyrocket. But then unfortunately we did end up falling back then and remaining in this bearish divergence, now breaking not only one key support level, but actually two, and then even this little wick down here breaking the third support level. So right now, what I'm watching right now is if we can break this resistance level at approximately $7.11, which in that case would be very bullish for the price, and we would see something such as this here. Let me get my drawing. So we'd come up and then we'd likely see some consolidation at the key support at around $8. And then from there, if we do break up, I'll be putting in some long positions. Although if we do continue to break down past this key resistance, then that would be when you could start shorting your positions. So then we'd be falling down past the key supports. Although this is the big level that I'm watching, because the triangle is ending rather soon. I mean, if we go back onto the yearly, we can see where the triangle is ending. So we've still got about a couple months left before the triangle does end, and we're either forced to break down or skyrocket upwards like I've drawn here. So it's still a risky play, although if you do have some leftover money and you just want to gamble with it, then I would definitely be considering putting it in right here, because we are on the cusp of breaking key resistance, which could lead to a major skyrocket in the price. So now if we get out of the charts and we look at the news, we can see that there is some bullish news coming out. Sushi's been sideways for a long time, but now that we see Sushiswap has actually done some deals with their governance token, and they're actually building platforms within the ecosystem, then we can see that they're breaking through some of the barriers that had kept them back. So if we look into this article, we can see that basically what this article is saying on CoinDesk is Sushi is kind of at the same place as Uniswap, except for Uniswap is still much more valuable than Sushi. So this is where we could pick up some cheap Sushi and take it to the next step, where we could one day be worth the market cap of Uniswap. And then, of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it is right here. I'll leave it in the description. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.